Service Module is a part of 1C Advertising Management backend software, which allows you to plan flighting and maintenance works, make photo reports, and control its timely execution. For approved ad campaigns, work orders can be created either for the team or for an individual contractor. The Service Module helps you find suitable works and transfer them to the order, which then can be printed, sent by email, or via mobile app for work teams. In the mobile app, contractors can access all the information about the work to be done, add materials availability, and flighting terms. They can also change the work status when it's done and create a photo report. The data will be uploaded to the backend software. In case contractors do not use the mobile app, photo reports can be manually added to the software with the specified execution date. Maintenance works are planned in the same way. Users can create a plan in a special document form and hand it over to execution with all necessary details explained. For commercial placements, it's also possible to plan additional photo reports, which will be added to the order as well. The work order statuses can be easily monitored with the help of the general report. It shows where the flighting should be done, or where blank ad material or photo report is missing.